Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this Wavlink USB-C docking station. As you can see over here, super compact, that this brand sent to me for the video. I tried it already, and I think this could be really good for multiple scenarios. Let's say is that you want this for productivity, and by the way, this is a braided cable, so it's actually always better to have a braided cable, less chances to actually break it. But this thing for sure is going to be good for home office. For example, if you want to put like multiple monitors, you can put up to two monitors right here with the HDMI. So that's actually kind of nice that you can put multiple monitors with a laptop, for example. Or if you want to take it with you to the office in case that you work like hybrid in between home office and the office, you can take this one with you. Super compact, as you can see, and just connect portable monitors. Like in this case, I'm gonna try it with the portable monitors. Super easy to connect, and it also can give you up to 4K 60 hertz for the HDMI output. So that's gonna be good for also gaming in case that you want to game with this one and a separate monitor. It also comes with, let me actually show it to you on a close-up for the ports, and then we're gonna connect it to my laptop. So in here, you're gonna find the HDMI ports, HDMI 1 and 2. You also have a USB-C 2.0, and you have the 10 gigabytes data transfer USB-C, as well as the PD USB-C that goes up to 100 watts, so you can give you fast charge as well. An Ethernet port over here in case that you wanna do that for your laptop. And of course, you have two 10 gigabytes USB-A's, so fast data transfer, and two 5 gigabyte USB-A ports over there, as well as the braided cable for the USB-C connect. So as you can see over here, I have my laptop over there and the two portable monitors, which I already have hooked right here to the two HDMI ports on this docking station. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use my USB-C Thunderbolt from my laptop, and then in a matter of like 15 seconds, I don't know, like 10-15 seconds, this one is going to connect with the actual docking station, and it's going to tell that there are two portable monitors connect via the HDMI. Just like that, it takes about like 15 seconds, no more than that, 20 seconds. And of course, you can rearrange every portable monitor or every monitor just to be on the right, on the left, up and down, whatever you want to do with this docking station, which by the way, you have plenty of ports to connect dongles, for example, for like a portable keyboard, like a wireless keyboard, like a wireless mouse, and also connect the Ethernet cable for faster internet in your laptop, and of course, connect many other things like flash drives for data transfer. So you have the 60 hertz 4K resolution up to one of the HDMI ports. You have the two HDMI ports. You have all the USB-A ports as well as the USB-C with the 100 watts fast charge for the PD as well. And of course, you have the host with the Thunderbolt USB-C. This is just fantastic, good one for the home office experience, and it's gonna make your life easier as well. I give it a thumbs up, recommended. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.